Photoshop's 2025 updates bring powerful AI tools to enhance creativity and efficiency. Transform your workflow with Generative Expand, a powerful tool that extends your canvas and seamlessly fills gaps with AI-generated content. To get started, open your image in Photoshop. Select the crop tool by pressing C on your keyboard. In the toolbar, switch to Generative Expand mode. Now, drag the canvas edges outward while holding Alt on Windows or Option on Mac. Photoshop will generate several variations to seamlessly extend your image. Review the options and choose the one that works best. Once you're happy with the result, finalize your edit by merging layers using Ctrl+E on Windows or CMD+E on Mac. Clean up your images effortlessly with the new and improved Remove tool, powered by AI for seamless object removal. To begin, select the Remove tool by pressing J on your keyboard. You'll find it in the Healing family of tools. Choose your preferred mode. Auto lets AI assist where needed, Generative AI forces AI for precision, and Off allows for manual removal. Next, highlight the unwanted object and let Photoshop work its magic, seamlessly blending the area with the surrounding pixels. If needed, refine any distortions using the Spot Healing brush or Clone Stamp tool by pressing S. With AI-powered precision, removing distractions from your images has never been easier. Effortlessly remove distractions like wires, cables, and clutter with Photoshop's enhanced AI-powered tools. Start by opening your image in Photoshop and selecting the Remove tool by pressing J on your keyboard. In the Options bar, click on Find Distractions and choose the Wires and Cables category. Photoshop will automatically detect and remove all wires and cables, seamlessly blending the area for a clean, professional finish. Create stunning gradients dynamically with live gradients, a game changer for graphic designers. Start by selecting the Gradient tool by pressing G on your keyboard and enabling Live Gradient mode. Choose a gradient type, such as linear or radial, then drag on the canvas to apply it. Adjust colors, stops, and opacity in real time for complete control over your design. Fine-tune the direction and scale to achieve the perfect look. Unlock your creativity with our Adobe courses. Scan the QR code to explore our website and master the Creative Suite today.